Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is quotes 123. The quote today is, author unknown. So again, it's anonymous. We're not really quite sure who said this. I couldn't find an exact person. So in most cases, it's unknown. But let's take a look at the quote here. Trust is like paper. Once it's crumbled, it can never be perfect again. Yes, you could almost stop at the quote just right here. Sometimes I've seen it just stopped at this, or sometimes you have another line added here too. And here's the second line. You can flatten the paper and try to make it straight as you want, but it will never be perfect again. So yeah, you're comparing trust to a piece of paper that you pick up and you crumble it like this, and then you try to straighten it out, and it'll never look like it looked before. You could try to smooth it a bit, you can make it a little better, but it'll never look the same as before. Just like once the trust is lost, it'll never be like it was before. So let's continue here. There's much truth to this quote. Once trust is lost, it could not be completely repaired. You can try, but it will never be the same again. It won't be the same as it used to be. No matter how much you try to iron it out, and that might be the right word here, trying to iron it out, you might even get some of the wrinkles to lighten. Might get a little better over time if you keep straightening it, straightening it, straightening it, keep working on it, but it'll never be like before the trust was lost. Wrinkles will always be there. It's kind of like scars. They'll always be there. It could never be the same as before, as previously. Okay, well, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time.